I think Manipur deserves peace. And I think the people who've died in Manipur and the families who've lost those people deserve to be looked after and protected.
Sir, is there any suggestion you would like to make for the people of Manipur? What should we do about this? Because the state is not listening, and it's been ongoing.
In the end, there will have to be some form of peace, right? And unfortunately, there's huge anger in both the communities, right? So leadership of both the communities needs to sort of try and build bridges between the communities. That's eventually the only possible answer.
So that means it's going to take a lot of time looking at how each.
If the government of India, if the government of India decides that there needs to be peace in Manipur, it's a 5-minute job. Literally, it's a 5-minute job. The government of India doesn't want peace in Manipur. If there was a UPA government, this thing would have been finished within hours. If the Indian army is told stop people from fighting and killing each other, the Indian army will stop it in 15 minutes. There's no problem with that. So there is a sense also of government thinking that this conflict is suitable. That also explains why the Prime Minister didn't go there.
Yeah.
The state is burning, and the Prime Minister doesn't go there for 2-3 years. It's completely crazy.